A Spectrum modem blinking orange and green usually indicates a transitional state, such as the modem initializing, updating its firmware, or experiencing connectivity issues. The orange light often signifies a connection attempt or error when the modem is acquiring a signal. The green light indicates a successful connection, for example, a stable data flow. The combination of blinking orange and green typically occurs during boot up, firmware updates, or partial connectivity. This issue is commonly reported during service outages or infrastructure upgrades. If you see this, don't immediately assume hardware failure. Most of the time, it is not a hardware failure, but rather a connection issue. First, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. Also, verify all cable connections are secure. If the problem persists, check the My Spectrum app for detailed diagnostics or contact Spectrum support. Future trends include AI-driven support and voice assistance for LED interpretation. Spectrum is rolling out DOCSIS 4.0 for faster speeds and improved error correction, aiming to reduce these blinking issues. Keep your modem updated to avoid firmware vulnerabilities. By 2026, AI diagnostics are expected to significantly reduce resolution times.